Now see this bracket? Once I put it up there, then I'm going to loop this in here and tighten that up to whatever size pipe you need. This is only, the pipe we're going to work on is only 2-inch ABS is what it's called. And at the end of this, here's the little nails, and they're just kind of held in there by the little support right there. And so I've got 2 nails for this, and see all the holes in here? You can adjust this to wherever you want. You can chop it off. We can run it sideways, because up where it goes, we've got to get it going this direction like that, not that direction, right? So I'm going to have to put the nails in that direction, not that direction. And I'm going to use the 2 little nails they gave me. Oh, that's kind of slick. $3.49 for this, and we got 4 of them. Let's do it. Now here's the thing. Am I a master plumbing tech guru? No. I've run my share of ABS pipe, my copper pipes, and my metal ducting like that, and flexible ducting like that, and hot water heaters and all that kind of stuff, and electrical cabling, okay? But you don't have to be a plumbing guru to fix something like this. Step by step, you can do it. Now see, as this pipe goes down, it starts up at this angle at a certain height, and then it's a little bit lower here, a little bit lower there, a little bit lower at the next one, and all the way down. So I can't just willy-nilly tie this up, but because the other brackets are still up there, I can hold those up in such a fashion to where I know where it should be, and then I'm going to take my bracket and nail it in there. Let's do it, shall we? Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.